In Pasuk Shmini we read the Pasuk V'yayin v'shechar al tesht. Don't drink wine. What is it about wine? When one drinks wine, he says Savri or Savrai, and those around respond by saying Lechaim. Why do we say Lechaim specifically when one drinks wine? Why don't we say Lechaim when one drinks apple juice, raspberry juice, orange juice, or any other juice for that matter? Why don't we say Lechaim when one eats solids? What is it about wine? So Da'at Zakeni Mibali HaTosfot on that pasuk explain, and they give two reasons. When one drinks a lot of wine, well, we all know what happens. Yoitze mida'asoi. He goes a little crazy. So specifically when one drinks wine, we say Lechaim, should be to life, to good health. And then they bring another reason. In Brachos Mema Mudalef, and again in Sanhedrin Mema Mudalef, the Gemara says, the Gemara brings different opinions. What was it? A tree that Adam Harishon, first man, ate from. And one opinion is that he ate from the Geffen. He ate wine. He drank wine. And what happens afterwards? Because of that sin, Niknesa Mita La'olam, because of that people started to die. If it wasn't for that, he would live forever. So wine brought upon death. So then, to counter that, we say Lechaim, to life. And Ateretz Zekenim and Simon Kuf Peitet, they bring another reason. Noach, coming out of the ark, drinks wine. He becomes drunk, and then his son Canaan gets cursed. So we say, Savai, pay attention, those around me, I'm going to drink wine, but I hope this doesn't harm me, doesn't do me any bad. So those around respond by saying, Lechaim, it should be all good, to life, to health. Lechaim.